Loaded
Assalamu
pizza
alaikum.
fries.
Today I am making easy yummy pizza fries recipe. We have shared an easy recipe with you that is very easy to make. Potatoes fries 200 gram. Chicken popcorn 8 pieces. Three cheddar cheese slices. First, fry the potato fries well. You can make these easy fries without any microwave oven. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for easy recipes. In the second step, fry the chicken pieces well. In the third step, we will make the easy sauce. Tomato ketchup 4 tablespoons. Garlic mayonnaise 4 tablespoons. Oregano pinch of. Salt and red chilies flakes as taste. Mix well. We will make 3 layers of it. First fries. Second chicken pops. Third sauce. Oregano. Red chilies flakes. 3 slices cheddar cheese. You can also add olive oil and capsicum to it. Add pizza sauce. Preheat the pot for 5 minutes in advance. Cook and heat 3 to 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, ready to eat. This is a healthy dish for children. You can also eat it as a snack. Thank you for watching.